Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're going to be doing Arab stroke Middle Eastern liver. I'm using beef, you could be using lamb. This is really popular, this type of liver. You can have this in sandwiches or you can have it just like that for a breakfast. It's very, very simple. It's totally delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got right here. So in there we've got the liver. You can use beef liver or lamb's liver. I'm using beef and I've got about 500 grams there, or about a pound of it. And what you need to do is cut it as nice and thin strips, thin as you can really. Vinegar, a white vinegar, you can be using any type of vinegar. Salt and cumin. I've got like a teaspoon of each. Half a cup of olive oil, half a cup of onion, which is optional, some people don't use onion, and cut really small. And again, the same amount of jalapeno, again cut really small. And there 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. This is very, very easy and delicious. So the first thing we're going to do is just add our vinegar to the liver. Give it a little mix around. And we're just going to let that stand for about 4 or 5 minutes. And then we're going to drain it off. We're not going to wash it off, we're just going to drain it off. So yeah, 4 or 5 minutes, then we're straight at the cooker. Okay, so I've got that olive oil in the pan. It's on low at the moment. And here's our liver. Like I say, just drain that off, don't wash it. You still want some of that vinegar flavour. Medium heat, about 4 or 5 minutes now. Keep this moving. Fantastic. Now we're going to add in the onion. Like I say, some people don't use onion. I like a bit of onion in this. We're going to put the jalapeno in, cut nice and small. We're going to add plenty of garlic. And we're going to add the cumin and the salt, about a teaspoon each. Staying on this heat, we're going to go for another 4 minutes. And that is done. Like I say, you can have that in a sandwich, that's very popular. So have a liver sandwich, or just like this for breakfast. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.